All right, so this is the JRE transmission fluid dipstick. I did have to, this is for the Camaro, so I had to modify the bracket just a little bit, bend it. You can see right here, I bent that basically backwards where the mounting hole was, and then caught the heat shield screw right there. I took it out. That's the, I think it's a 25, a T25 screw there, and it has a big shoulder head on it, so it actually fit pretty good on that. Just bending that a little bit. Then come up there. I put a few little extra bends, and you can see where I kind of kinked it just a little. I don't think it'll be enough to hurt anything, to get it to turn, to go a little steeper angle into that easier. You might have been able to do it without that, but it made it easier. And then it goes up. I'll show you from the top where it comes out.